students, I am here to give you an introduction of the course entitled Yoga. Yoga has become popular in every corner of the world. In spite of inadequate understanding about yoga, there is a great amount of interest and attraction towards it. In India, yoga fully developed as a science having its own technology, and it is unanimously agreed that yoga is the original contribution of India to world. Haridas Chaudhary explains, word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root word yuj, meaning bind, join, unite and control. Professor Jagdish Singh is the principal investigator of this course. He has 21 years of experience in teaching. Let's talk about the main objectives of the course. To throw light on the risk of injury and augments, recovery for ailments including stress, lower back pain and tension, to discuss the features of different yoga and yoga asanas, to enable the students to have good health, to practice mental hygiene, to possess emotional stability. Learning outcomes, students shall be able to know about the importance of yoga, how to breathe during yoga poses, analyze their own eating patterns with respect to healthy and mindful eating practices, explore relaxation techniques to observe thoughts and to manage emotions and stress, and reflect on those techniques which are most effective to them. Brief structure. All in all, this course contains 27 lessons ranging from yoga. Engagement time, the course has 2 credits. Engagement time for each lecture is 3 to 4 hours. Lesson contains 4 quadrants. Following is the division of engagement time for each lecture. Quadrant 1 contains the video of the lesson and it engages the students for 25 to 30 minutes. Quadrant 2 is comprised of text material, e-book, objectives, summary, glossary, case studies, FAQs and other learning material. The engagement time for the same is 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Quadrant 3 consists of the references and web links for the lesson. Quadrant 4 covers the assessment of the students. There are 10 to 15 MCQs, 3 short and 2 long assignments. The engagement time for this quadrant is 45 minutes to 50 minutes. This is all about the outline of the course, that is yoga. So, get ready for an amazing experience of learning. Thank you very much.